Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest products on the market. Today, we're going to be reviewing what we consider the best Tectectec Klyr Laser Rangefinder, the ultimate tool for golfers looking to take their game to the next level. The Tectectec Klyr Golf Rangefinder is a compact yet powerful device, specifically designed to enhance your golfing experience. What sets the Klyr apart is its 3-in-1 functionality, combining slope, scan, and target lock vibration all into one sleek device. Whether you're navigating a course with uphill or downhill shots, the Klyr's slope feature automatically adjusts for elevation, ensuring you get the most accurate distance for each shot. And don't worry if you're in a tournament, you can easily toggle the slope feature off to make it tournament legal. One standout feature of the Klyr rangefinder is its built-in vibration. This provides reassurance when you've locked onto a target, whether it's the flag, a bunker, or any hazard. You'll feel the subtle vibration to confirm your measurement, which adds that extra layer of confidence when selecting your club. Let's talk about portability. The Klyr is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around the course. It's pocket-sized, which means you won't have to deal with the bulk of traditional rangefinders. Plus, it comes with a high-quality case and a golf ball marker with a magnet, making it an all-around convenient accessory. Another innovative feature is the industry-first built-in magnet, which allows you to securely attach the rangefinder to any metal surface, such as your golf cart, clubs, or even the included belt clip. This ensures that you'll never have to worry about misplacing it while you're on the move. In terms of performance, the Klyr offers superior optics that ensure you get crystal clear measurements every time. The precision and quickness of this rangefinder mean you can accurately measure distances to any target without hesitation, making it ideal for any golfer, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. The Klyr rangefinder is also water-resistant, meaning it can handle a little rain or moisture without a hitch. It's built to last and comes with a 2-year happiness guarantee, ensuring that you're supported for the long haul. At the end of the day, the Tectectec Klyr Golf Rangefinder is a game-changer. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, portability, and ease of use makes it a must-have for any golfer serious about improving their game. Whether you're tracking the flag, scanning the course, or locking onto your target, the Klyr is designed to provide the accuracy and reliability you need to take your golfing experience to new heights. That's it for today's review. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of your favorite products. Until next time, happy golfing!